Hello, my name is May. My channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Today, I would like to share a job with you, and the company is Randstad. Randstad provide outsourcing, staffing, consulting, and workforce solutions within the areas of engineering, accounting and finance, healthcare, human resources, IT, legal, life sciences, manufacturing and logistics, office and administration, and sales and marketing. They have clients in both the United States and Canada. Their business is supporting business productivity from matching the right people with great jobs to custom project solutions and consulting. Randstad is an equal opportunity employer. Race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender, identity, national origin, age, genetic information, disability, protected veteran status, or any other legally protected group status. At Randstad, they welcome people of all abilities and want to ensure that their hiring and interview process meets the needs of all applicants. If you require a reasonable accommodation to make your application or interview experience a great one, please contact their HR support at randstadusa.com. Randstad has a bilingual customer service representative position with one of their clients. It pays $19 to $20 per hour. It's a temp to perm, and a high school diploma is needed. A customer-centric position responsible for fielding inbound calls from Spanish-speaking private sector clients who hold investments and savings plans with a premier financial services and insurance firm headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. The role requires fluency in Spanish and English. The start date is March 6, 2023, so you have time to apply. The office location is in Columbus, Ohio. This is a fully remote or hybrid job, and equipment will be provided, whether on site or working from home. The core hours is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. Schedules are subject to change every week. Training is for 5 weeks. And due to fiduciary guidelines, this position requires a credit check. The responsibilities receives and responds to an average of 50 to 60 incoming calls from investment professionals, plan sponsors, and members on a variety of topics. Understands the different product suites, including current lineup and products no longer sold that still require servicing. Educates customer to assure understanding of tax implications, penalties, surrender charges, death benefit protection, lifetime income, capital preservation, and or benefits pertaining to the plan contract. The applicant will also, once they're hired, maintain a record of the conversations and follows a process of documentation to support the company's strategy of knowing their member better than anyone and use the information in a way that drives the relationship deeper. You will analyze problems to determine proper course of action. The skills needed for this job is active listening, empathy, interpersonal sensitivity, call center support, basic computer skills, basic software skills, self-starter, Spanish. 20 years of experience is required in speaking Spanish. And also they have a CRM. The qualifications is years of experience is 3 years. Experience level, entry level. Also at Randstad and with those clients that they service, welcome people of all abilities and want to ensure that their hiring and interview process meets the needs of all applicants. If you require a reasonable accommodation to make your application or interview experience a great one, you will please contact the HR support at randstadusa.com. And you can also use that same email if you need any type of disability accommodations. The pay offered to a successful candidate will be based on several factors, including the candidate's education, work experience, work location, specific job duties, certifications, etc. In addition, Randstad offers a comprehensive benefit package including health, an incentive and recognition program, and 401k contribution, and all benefits are based on eligibility. And for certain assignments, COVID-19 vaccination and or testing may be required by Randstad client or applicable federal mandate, subject to approved medical or religious accommodations. So carefully review the job posting for details on vaccine testing requirements or ask your Randstad representative for more information. I will leave the link to this position in the description box below this video. If you have any other questions, if you look below this job description, you'll see a contact person with their phone number and email address if you have questions and you need answers before you apply or if you need accommodations. Well, this is all I have for you today. If you would like to apply for this job, apply here. Just click on apply and it'll take you over to that applying page here. Also, if you have not done so yet, subscribe to my channel, click the bell to be notified of more job opportunities, and give this video a great thumbs up. And you have a great rest of your day.